Good morning, children. Welcome in science class. So today, children, we are going to do concept sheet and the topic is sound. You must have studied sound in your class. So children, let me first tell you about the concept sheet. Now, concept sheet means whatever you have studied in your class or in your chapter, this is the conclusion of the chapter, or we can say that it is a revision sheet. Okay, so questions are framed here in which the questions are asked whatever you have studied, whatever you have learned in the class. So the questions are based on that particular knowledge and you are going to solve these all questions. Now children, let me tell you again that the questions which are here or in this concept sheet, it doesn't mean that it is all from your chapter. It is taken from some other books also. Okay, but the topic will be the same or the topic is the same. So let's start with the pleasant and unpleasant sound. Okay children, do you know about the pleasant and unpleasant sounds? So let me first tell you about the meaning of pleasant and unpleasant. Pleasant sound means which you like the most, okay? And unpleasant means which you do not like, okay? So here check the degree to which you find the following sounds to be pleasant to your ear. So you are going to write here or you're going to tick here which sound you like most, which sound you don't like, or which sound you like a little more. Okay, so let's start with the number one. Applause. Okay, so what does this mean? Applause. Applause means, children, when you are happy, when you clap, when you laugh. So how do you feel? Yes, you feel very good. So it's pleasant sound. Okay, so tick here and cross here. Okay, then hummingbird. So children, have you seen hummingbird? No. Okay, I'm going to tell you about the hummingbird. Hummingbirds are very small little birds, children, and they produce a sound like hmm, hmm. So how do you feel while hearing this sound? Hmm, hmm. Okay. It is very unpleasant. Yes, so tick here and cross here. Okay, listening to music. Okay, now listening to music. Yes, everybody will write here. Very pleasant. I know, children, that you love to listen music. Yes, everybody loves. Okay, so write tick here and cross here. Now come to bumblebee. Children, bumblebee is also a small creature. It looks like honeybee, but it is not exactly the honeybee. Okay. Now bumblebee it is also of black and yellow color. Okay. Now it sound also not very pleasant. Okay, it is also unpleasant. It also sound okay. So just take unpleasant, right? And cross it. Someone snoring. Okay. So you don't like snoring sound. Okay, so take unpleasant. Now fridges also produce sound. So fridge is also humming. Okay, so have you heard the fridge humming? Yes. So it also not feeling very good. Yes, so tick unpleasant. Choir singing. Okay. So when you hear this singing or the song from the choir children in your school, how do you feel? You love those songs now? Yes, very pleasant. So children, do all rest of the sounds according to your feeling, according to how you feel, whether it is unpleasant, whether it is somewhat pleasant, whether it is very pleasant. Okay. Now next we'll move on to, for each picture, write an L if the sound is loud or an S if the sound is soft. Okay. So cross out any picture that don't make any sound. Okay. So if the sound is loud, then you are going to write a L, and if the sound is small, just write as S. Okay. Soft, so right? S. So here let's see. Okay. So this is a cloth. So it doesn't produce any sound. So cross it. Computer. Telephone. Yes. Shows loud sound. Computer. Soft. S. Then snake. Yes. Soft. Okay, this is an instrument, musical instrument, so loud. Okay, the studying. Okay, you can write S. Then rocket. Yes, loud, loud, and cross. Okay. Now this concept sheet is completed, children. Solve it. Okay. If you are not able to solve in this particular table, then take a copy and pencil and do it in your copy and send it back on the Hello Parent app, children. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.